Alright, I've moved the camera next to the target, shooting the same distance, going to be shooting the same 2 arrows, and going to see if there's any kind of noise difference at the impact site. Like I said, I thought that was an interesting point that Dave Nolan brought up on the Elite Archery Forum website. So we're going to be shooting the same distance, same 2 arrows, and going to see if there's any noticeable noise difference from that distance. So let's listen and see what we can hear. Might be the last video that I do. I'm not a very good archer, and hopefully I don't take out my camera. But anyways, we're going to take the shots and see what we got. Alright, that was the FOB and the Blazer. FOB was shot first again, and then the Blazer. I'm going to pan the camera around so you can see exactly just how close the camera was to the target. Just going to move it down, over, and it is right there. Right there is actually where the target was, but I'll tell you one of the things I love about the heavy weight of that GTO is I was shooting at a Reinhardt that was sitting on top of this old beat up target, and those arrows are shooting and hitting so hard that it actually knocked the Reinhardt completely up and off of there. And anybody that shot a Reinhardt knows exactly how heavy those targets are, and that it takes quite a bit of momentum and kinetic energy to get one of those things to even budge, let alone roll completely up and over. So anyways, there's the video. Hopefully people can draw their own conclusions and shoot what they like, and not beat other people for shooting what they like. Thanks.